Okay, so I have been dealing with twin babies. I apologize for those of you who have been watching my videos and who have been wondering why I have not uploaded anything. I did actually make a video as soon as I got released from the hospital, and the sound was like crappy, and it was kind of dark, and I was trying to whisper because my mom came out here and she was sleeping and I didn't want to wake her. So I kind of didn't post it, and that was like the last video I made. But I haven't stopped with my attempts at making some crunchy chunks. This is my first time using the Ace bandage, and they are microwaved. I don't know if you can see how packed down it is. And I actually used a whole box of this brand they have at Vons here. It's called Signature Pure Cornstarch, and I mixed that with some Argo, some Great Value, and some Caliber Girl. So we're gonna see what the results are. You know how I feel about Caliber Girl, so just in case you guys don't know, in my previous video, I feel Caliber Girl does not get that crunchy, and I don't like the way Caliber Girl tastes alone, but mixed, it has like this different taste. Okay, for starters, it's pretty heavy. I don't think I've got one to feel this heavy yet, so it might be a good sign. It's really solid. I put it in the microwave on about, I'm going to say 8 minutes total. I did 3 minutes standing up, open the microwave, let it cool for about 5 to, at the most, probably minutes. And then I microwaved it again for another 3 minutes. Same thing, open it up, let the microwave like cool off a little bit and vent. And then I turned it on its side and microwaved it again for 2 more minutes. I took it out the microwave, let it cool off, and in the freezer it went for 3 hours. So let's see what we have here. I am excited. Let's see if I can get, there you go. Let's get that plate in there. I have to pull it back so you guys can see. See if we can get it to come out. Nope. You can see like the starch that is I dropped inside the box apparently. Yeah. Moment we have all been waiting for. I don't know. You guys can see that too well, but that is all cornstarch. Now I see it's starting to break. Ooh. Oh, that's a big one. All right, look at this one. This one though, can you see that? All right, enough talking. I'm gonna eat this one. I'm gonna eat this one. Okay, so they're good, but I still haven't got a crunch. I don't know. It's like I can only get crunch from like oven bacon, and definitely cans is like I guess the easiest. But I'm trying to perfect microwave and then like start learning boiling as well, because I watch a lot of videos and I hear everybody say the difference in the taste, and I want to know the difference.